Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in Mall Security Roblox. First, locate the kitchen area, usually found near the food court or staff rooms. Once there, approach the cooking station, which often looks like a counter with a stove or oven. Interact with it to open the cooking interface. You'll see various slots for ingredients and a display for the dish you are preparing. Understanding these basic steps is crucial for starting your culinary journey in the game. To begin cooking, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Look for raw items such as dough, cheese, and sauce, which are typically stored in refrigerators or pantry areas within the mall. You might find them in the back of a restaurant or a dedicated storage room. Make sure to collect at least 3 different ingredients to prepare a simple, yet satisfying, dish. These items are essential for crafting any meal. Once you have your ingredients, head back to the preparation counter. Combine the items by dragging them into the designated slots. After preparing your dish, place it into the oven or onto the stove. Cooking usually takes around 30 seconds, so keep an eye on the timer. When it's done, carefully remove the cooked item to prevent it from burning, ensuring a perfect meal every time. With your delicious food ready, it's time to serve it. Approach non-player characters or other players who are looking for a meal. Each successful sale will earn you valuable in-game currency, helping you progress. Remember, higher quality or more complex dishes often yield greater rewards, so experiment with different recipes. Aim to cook at least 5 dishes to maximize your earnings and become a top chef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.